Looking for the perfect backpack to conquer college life? We've rounded up the top 5 backpacks for college students, balancing style, comfort, and practicality. Stick around to find your ideal pick. And if you're into discovering the best products daily, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Number 1. The North Face Recon Backpack. When searching for the best backpacks for college students, we tested for durability, functionality, and style. Undoubtedly, the North Face Recon Backpack is the perfect combination of all three. It has a posture-correcting design. We tested its suspension system, including a sternum strap, back clips, and removable waist belt, which helped balance the weight of a full backpack evenly. This in turn alleviates chronic back pain students get from carrying heavy loads over time. We also liked that the rear is padded with a ventilated cushion and its wide shoulder straps for easier lifting. The pockets are intuitively placed. Its medium-sized main compartment has a laptop sleeve, a front mesh pocket filled with practical separations for all of your charging cords, smaller devices, and writing utensils. Plus, it has 2 water bottle pockets on its sides. Number 2. Vera Bradley Campus Backpack. For the college student with a maturing style and an appreciation for a spacious bag, this Vera Bradley backpack is both a great stylistic and functional choice. It has a luggage handle and smooth pull zippers. Inside is a padded 15-inch laptop compartment along with 2 side pockets for a water bottle. It has a sizable 25-liter main compartment containing 2 mesh slip pockets and outer pockets to store smaller items. It comes in dozens of colorways. This is one of the best college backpacks that combines utility with a minimalistic look 7676 in several stylish shades. The small brand tag is monochromatic and located on the side, so it blends in with the rest of the backpack. Once you open its pockets, you get a pop of the brand's signature paisley pattern. Number 3. The North Face Borealis Backpack. The North Face is known for making durable and high-quality gear, and the Borealis backpack, one of the brand's most classic styles, is no different. It's great for hauling all sorts of gear. The 28-liter size fits just about everything you need for class, and then some. It has the standard features: a nicely padded laptop pocket, a spacious main compartment, side pockets for water bottles, a small fleece-lined outer pocket, and a bigger outer pocket with pockets and places for pens. It's built with a chest and hip belt, making it useful for hikes too. It's easy to open and close. There's also a small but thoughtful feature to appreciate. You pull zippers that make unzipping any of its pockets 10 times easier. The Borealis backpack may not have a bunch of hidden compartments in the niftiest spaces, but it does what it needs to with quality materials made to last a long while. And for the same price, the women's Borealis is specifically designed to fit a slighter build. Number 4. Carhart 25L Classic Laptop Backpack. We've tested the now-retired Carhart Classic Work Pack, but thankfully, the 25L Classic Laptop Backpack is an excellent upgrade. It's made from a durable, water-repellent material. On the inside, it accommodates a medium-sized cargo load. Thanks to its front zippered pocket with key ring clip and separated mesh slots for your phone, notebooks, or pens, you won't lose any of your smaller items at the bottom of the bag. It has a dedicated 15-inch laptop sleeve at the back of the main compartment, and this new model even comes with side pockets of water bottle storage. You can get it in the classic brown colorway that the Michigan-made workwear brand is recognized for. Includes a large exterior pocket, made stronger with Rain Defender durable water repellent, providing you with the flexibility to bring this pack along for any task. Number 5. Lululemon Everyday Backpack 2.0. Lululemon's lightweight everyday backpack does exactly what a college backpack needs to do without too many frills. It has room for sneakers, gym clothes, and a towel. The wider set bag has a 23-liter capacity and a padded laptop pocket that fits a 16-inch device. It's made with a water-repellent fabric, 2 side pockets for water bottles, inner mesh pockets, and a small outer pocket. It has a luggage sleeve, and the minimalistic logo doesn't scream, "I love Lululemon." It has a sleek silhouette. You can fill this with gym clothes, and it won't look bulky. While not made of the thickest material, the popular fitness brand's everyday backpack is designed with exactly what a college student needs. Exterior padded pocket fits a 16-foot, laptop easy access. Exterior pocket for your essentials, exterior water bottle pocket For quick access to hydration, interior pockets hold the Essentials trolley-compatible sleeve.